Are you looking to make your crypto work for you? Do you want to earn passive income on your digital assets without sacrificing control? If you've been exploring the world of decentralized finance, you've likely come across the term staking. But what if you're using Bifrost Wallet and you're wondering exactly what cryptocurrencies you can stake there to earn those sweet rewards? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the staking opportunities available on the Bifrost Wallet. We'll break down the supported assets, explain how staking works within the wallet's ecosystem, and give you a clearer picture of how you can potentially grow your holdings. Bifrost Wallet isn't just a place to store your crypto, it's designed to be a gateway to the broader Web3 and DeFi landscape. A core part of this vision is enabling users to participate in staking, which is essentially locking up your cryptocurrency to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards, much like earning interest in a traditional bank account, but often with significantly higher yields. So, what can you actually stake on Bifrost Wallet? The Bifrost Wallet primarily focuses on providing a secure, non-custodial environment for managing your assets, with a strong emphasis on the Flare and XRPL ecosystems. While the wallet supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies and tokens, over 1,000, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and tokens on networks like Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base, its direct staking functionalities are particularly robust for specific assets. One of the most prominent cryptocurrencies you can stake directly within the Bifrost Wallet is Wrapped FLR, WFLR, which is the wrapped version of Flare's native token. Bifrost Wallet is optimized for the Flare and Songbird networks, making it a prime choice for users looking to delegate WFLR. Delegating your WFLR allows you to participate in the Flare Time Series Oracle (FTSO) network, which provides decentralized data to smart contracts. By doing so, you can earn FTSO rewards and even participate in Flare Drops, a mechanism for distributing tokens to the community. The wallet even offers an autoclaim feature for these rewards, making the process incredibly seamless. Beyond FLR, the Bifrost ecosystem, particularly the Bifrost chain itself, which is built on Polkadot's substrate framework, offers liquid staking solutions for other prominent cryptocurrencies. This is where things get really interesting. Bifrost's innovation lies in its liquid staking design, which allows you to stake your tokens and receive a V-token. V-token stands for voucher token, in return. These V-tokens represent your staked assets and can be used within various DeFi applications across the Polkadot ecosystem and beyond, without sacrificing your liquidity. This means you can continue to earn staking rewards while simultaneously using your V-tokens in other DeFi protocols, like lending or trading. While the Bifrost Wallet directly supports the management of these V-tokens, the act of converting your original assets into their liquid staked versions often happens through the Bifrost dApp. For example, you can liquid stake your Polkadot (DOT) to receive VDOT or Ethereum (ETH) to receive VETH. The Bifrost team is actively working on expanding VETH's reach to Ethereum Layer 2 networks like Base and other Optimism-based L2S, further broadening the utility of these liquid staking tokens. So, the Bifrost Wallet is an excellent choice for staking Wrapped FLR directly within the app, leveraging its optimized features for the Flare network. Furthermore, through the broader Bifrost ecosystem and its liquid staking protocols, you can effectively stake cryptocurrencies like DOT and ETH, receiving liquid staked versions that open up a world of DeFi possibilities. It truly offers a versatile approach to putting your crypto to work. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.